Hi, I'm Jason Mears and this is Windows Server 2019 VMware Tools installation, part of the vSphere 7 Home Lab series. So we have a brand new installed Server 2019, but I'm going to go back to vSphere or vCenter Client, right click and go to Guest OS and install VMware Tools. This will essentially put a CD-ROM in the drive containing the installation media for VMware Tools. So once that virtual CD-ROM drive is added, I get a little pop-up to ask me what I'd like to do next, and I'm going to click on Run the 64-bit setup for VMware Tools. So I'm going to click Next, and it's a good idea to always click Complete because that ensures that your virtual machine will work on the widest possible range of VMware tools and products. So this is installing drivers inside the guest operating system to support all the virtual hardware and accelerates some things like video and graphics performance. So you can see there, it's just automatically resized the desktop and scaled it now that it's got support for the virtual graphics adapter. So it's now going to restart and boot up again with those new drivers loaded, which are optimized for running in a virtual environment. So I'll click the Ctrl-Alt-Delete button or press Ctrl-Alt-Insert. And now when I log in, I'm using the later version of the tools or later version of the drivers. So I've got better hardware support now inside my virtual machine. When I go to display settings, you can see, although it's a random resolution here, I've now got support for multiple different resolutions, not just the standard low resolution versions. And if you have a look here, it says that I'm now running VMware Tools, what version, and that it's current, and how it was installed. So that was Server 2019 VMware Tools installation, part of the vSphere 7 Home Lab series. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you found this useful.